This is what happened when you don't pre-trip. He got all them people blocked in because his tire done fell off. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is what happened when you don't pre-trip. He blocked in everybody, bro. Wow. Protection. Delivering to. All right, let's get this load off. I don't got no bill later. Can you like scan and email me one, or because oh. All right. All right. I appreciate it. There's the levee from when the hurricanes come. That's the water they built out of Katrina. And we are getting unloaded. Oh yeah. Now let's eat us some lunch. Got me some tuna. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we got that nightmare load off the trailer. No more overweight. We are out the way, guys. Trailer made it. Thank you, Jesus. And we are gonna head by the yard and turn on our pit. Yeah, huh? All right, we back. It's Friday. We done delivered our load for Monday on Friday. And pretty much an easy day, man. Hey, man, it's Florida Classic weekend down in Orlando. To all my subscribers that's going, man, hey, man, be safe, man. I might run into y'all down there. Hey, if not, hey, you know, just be safe. But if I see you, say what's up. You know, and we got the holidays coming up. Loads are going to slow down. I'll get me a haircut. And so it's typical in trucking. So get what you can get your stuff off, and just ride it out to after Thanksgiving. Real quick, man, I want to say one thing, man. Real quick. Pilot and Volvo have just merged into the first of its kind in trucking. They're gonna start having charging stations for Volvos and other electrical semi trucks. So I don't know how that's gonna do with the traffic there and how long it's gonna take. But just know Pilot is gonna be the first truck stop partnership with EV semi trucks to have charging. I just seen it. I think Agent Ma was talking about it. I seen it on Bloomberg, and so I'm curious to see how Love's and TA and all the other big juggernaut truck stops are gonna react in Quick Trip. But Pilot is the first, and I think they're based out of Knoxville, Tennessee, to bring this out, to roll this out. That leads me to my another thing, man. The truck parking in these cities is, I don't know, man. It's like these cities, they need us to deliver stuff, but they don't want to help us out with parking. Like, we don't have nowhere to park. And we're having this to find places on the side of the road and, and whatnot. But, it's ridiculous, man. Like for me, I got a safe little honey hole I park at. I ain't gonna show y'all where that's at, but I can show y'all somewhere else. But this in general, man, if you got a truck, man, before you like get into the truck game, always understand and figure out an area. That's a nice T-Rex. Where you can park your truck safely, because right now, especially you got them Freightliners, they're breaking into the trucks, they're stealing parts like the CBC4. These towing companies are price gouging, they're taking advantage of truckers. They're charging $1,000 to hook up and tow your shit. There might not even be a no parking sign there, but other truckers are vandalizing trucker vehicles because they're down bad. They don't got money for repairs, so they rather take it off of your truck. If you don't got locking gas caps, man, I know they're a little expensive, man, but get you some locking gas caps, man. I actually, not too long ago, I caught somebody trying to steal gas in my truck at a truck stop in front of everybody. Seen it with my own eyes, and ran down on him. He took off running, man. I never made a video about it because I'm like, I don't want all that business out there. But man, they done tried to steal gas. They done tried to steal bungees. If you're a flatbed, you know how much bungees cost. Straps. Like, you're gonna take somebody's strap off the spool, man. But this whole parking thing, man, we got to figure out something, man. I was talking to my guys, up there in Austin, Texas. Maybe we sublease some space in certain areas and have monthly truck parking at a nominal price if we can clear a profit margin. But this truck parking getting out of hand, man. Like, we having to park at Home Depot, Lowe's, grocery stores. Like, these gas stations are not truck friendly. Now granted, I know it's a good amount of truckers, not all, but a good amount. They just nasty as shit, man. They drop piss bottles and shit bags and trash everywhere. Whenever I see somebody do it, I say something to them like, hey, bro, just throw it in the trash, bro. You messing it up for all of us out here. It may not affect you today, but tomorrow it's going to affect somebody else. You got places that used to allow truck parking, like certain Walmarts, but they said, nah, because them dirty truckers came in here and tore everything up, trashed the place. But we got these cities and states, they got to have some designated parking areas. Like, these rest stops are not big enough. What I noticed in the Northeast, they got commuter lots up there. We don't have those in the South. Maybe like around Atlanta area, I've seen them, but where you could like park, and they got like, doubles and triple drop-offs on the turnpike in certain parts of Florida. But for the most part, I wish we had somewhere we could park and ride safely with our semi trucks, like how they do, like subway stations where cars can park, where truckers can park their vehicle and come back and have a spot and park their truck. But you know, it don't work like that. But you know, I just hope we can figure something out, man. But that's all, man. I'll check back in with y'all Monday. When I get back on the channel. I get back Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. I probably head out Sunday night, and I got to post up at the plant. So then Monday I can be the first one loaded, and I can get all the way to McKinney, Texas. I'm living in McKinney, Texas. I forgot the name of the stucco and concrete place. I get all the way there Monday. I post up, stay the night, shout out to McKinney in Dallas, and I'll be the first one getting unloaded Tuesday morning. And then after that, I'm just gonna deadhead back home, and we're flying back home to where I'm from, to Palm Beach, Wednesday afternoon for Thanksgiving. So we're gonna do a lot of family-oriented videos next week. But that's it, man. I appreciate y'all riding with me this week. Thank you again for giving me over 1,000 subscribers. We just close to monetizing. We need a few more watch hours. And I appreciate it, man. I'm finna do a giveaway here soon. Like I said, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And that's it, man. So TV down. Y'all be safe. I see y'all on Monday. Yo!